In today's video, we're diving into the world of finance and learning from one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of all time and has amassed a fortune of over $80 billion. However, despite his immense wealth, Buffett is known for his frugal lifestyle and prudent financial habits. Here are 15 of Warren Buffett's smartest frugal living habits you need to start adopting today. Be careful with loans. Buffett avoids taking out loans and borrowing money whenever possible. He believes that loans and interest payments are a waste of money and that you should only buy something if you can afford to pay for it in cash. Follow Buffett's lead and avoid taking out loans for non-essential purchases. Only borrow money for important long-term investments like a house. Focus on quality over brand names. Buffett looks for high-quality, durable goods that will last a long time. He doesn't care about brands and prefers value over status. Look for high-quality, long-lasting products that provide good value, rather than getting caught up in expensive brand names. Avoid unnecessary spending. Buffett lives well below his means and avoids lavish spending. He limits his expenditures on things like entertainment, travel, and hobbies. Cut unnecessary spending from your own budget by limiting expenses on dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. Look for free or low-cost alternatives instead. Don't invest with borrowed money. Buffett believes you should only invest money that you can afford to lose. He never borrows money to invest in the stock market. Make sure you have enough cash savings before you start investing your money. Don't borrow money or go into debt to fund your investments. Be cautious with home upgrades. Buffett lives in the same modest house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. He sees homes as a place to live, not an investment. Be very cautious about expensive home renovations and upgrades, which often do little to increase the value of a home. Only make upgrades that are necessary to maintain the home. Opt for budget-friendly takeout options. Although Buffett can afford to dine at the finest restaurants, he prefers simple, budget-friendly takeout options like hamburgers and French fries. When getting takeout, choose affordable, casual options rather than expensive meals. Look for coupons and deals to save even more money. Choose a cost-effective vehicle. Buffett drives a Cadillac XTS, which has a starting price of around $46,000. While this is not an expensive vehicle, it is very modest for someone of Buffett's wealth. When buying a vehicle, look for reliable, fuel-efficient, and affordable options. There's no need to spend lavishly on a high-end luxury vehicle. Pursue a career you love. Buffett believes that the key to success and wealth is finding a career you are passionate about. Do what you love and the money will follow. Explore different career options and pursue work that motivates and fulfills you. Success and wealth will be a natural byproduct. Use cash. Buffett uses cash for all of his day-to-day purchases. He avoids using credit cards. Using cash instead of credit cards helps ensure you only spend what you can afford. It also helps you avoid debt and pay more attention to what you're buying. Use cash for your daily purchases like meals, entertainment, and gas. Look for discounts. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett loves finding a good deal. He seeks out discounts and bargains whenever possible. Get into the habit of looking for coupons, promo codes, and the best deals before you buy anything. Check sites like Retail Minute and coupons.com to find discounts on your purchases. Don't upgrade unless you need to. Buffett avoids upgrading technology, gadgets, or appliances unless absolutely necessary. Don't get caught up in having the latest and greatest tech. Only upgrade when your current device is no longer functioning properly. Make do with what you have instead of always seeking out bigger and better things. Clip coupons. Buffett is an avid coupon clipper and looks for ways to save money on everything. Get into the habit of clipping coupons from your local paper and mailers. Look for coupon apps and websites that offer digital coupons for even more savings. Flipping coupons is an easy way to save hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year. Abstain from smoking and drinking. Buffett avoids expensive and unhealthy habits like smoking and drinking. These habits cost a lot of money over a lifetime and negatively impact your health and longevity. Quit smoking and avoid excessive alcohol consumption. Your body and wallet will thank you. Avoid the risk of gambling. Buffett stays away from gambling and considers it a waste of money. Gambling is designed so that the house will always win more money than it loses. Avoid gambling in all its forms, including lottery tickets, casinos, horse racing, and online betting. The odds will always be stacked against you. Have a simple wedding. When Buffett married his second wife Astrid Manx in 2006, the wedding ceremony lasted just 15 minutes. Buffett believes lavish weddings are a waste of money. If you're planning a wedding, opt for an affordable, low-key event. Focus on celebrating with close friends and family rather than an extravagant, expensive affair. A simple, meaningful ceremony will make for a more memorable wedding. In summary, Warren Buffett's frugal lifestyle and prudent financial habits have served him well. By adopting Buffett's fiscally responsible mindset and frugal living habits, you too can achieve greater financial freedom and build wealth over the long run. Avoid debt and unnecessary spending, look for ways to save money in your daily life, and focus on the things that really matter like friends, family, and meaningful work. Developing Buffett-like money habits will help you achieve prosperity and financial peace of mind. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We're dedicated to bringing you wisdom and advice from leaders like Warren Buffett to help you achieve financial freedom and a life of lower costs and greater value.